Hello, my name is Yuri Averkiyev. In this demo, I will be covering the installed software manager. As in case with all the SmartCode VNC Manager tools, the installed software manager is optimized to work with multiple computers simultaneously. To launch it, I will select two computers and select the installed software manager command in the context menu. The installed software manager launches and shows the list of all the packages installed on the selected remote computers. So, what do I see here in the list? Names of all the installed packages, versions of the installed packages, when the packages were installed, if a package can be uninstalled, whether or not package uses MSI installer or not. The installed software manager can uninstall MSI-based packages only, comments provided by the package author, and the registry key associated with installed packages. So let's try to uninstall a package remotely. First, so it would be easier for you to see, I will filter the installed packages so only the ones that have Ultra VNC in their names would appear in the list. And now I right-click on the Ultra VNC package and select the uninstall command. The Ultra VNC start uninstalling, and it's gone. If I would want to connect to another remote computer, I can add it to the list via the add command. The add command gives me multiple options to add a remote computer. For example, I can easily add an Active Directory-based computer. If I would want to find out more information about an installed software package, I can use the search online command that would open a Google search for the service name. The export list command allows you to export the list of installed packages to an external file. In the export window, you are given a possibility to customize the information that will be exported. Please visit our website to find out more about SmartCode VNC Manager and to download the trial version. Thank you for watching.